It's the extreme clean. Well, maybe that's not such a great thing. Come on in, welcome to my home. There is nothing like watching a house go from extremely dirty to extremely clean. Unless it's your house, and you're the one who has to do this. The one big thing about my channel is I'm trying to get people so that they're not having to go from extremely dirty to extremely clean. Because guess what? 9 times out of 10, that doesn't happen overnight. You are living in extremely dirty for a while. You are living in an extreme mess for a while, and that can bring around stress, that can bring around lots of problems, lots of aggravation, and you just feeling overwhelmed. So, I love watching, like I said, I love watching these houses when these people go through their extreme cleaning, but I don't want to go through that, and I don't want you to have to go through that. So what can we do? Well, that's why I always show you my weekly cleaning. No matter how clean my house is, I still clean it. At nighttime, I put stuff away. Yeah! Did you know that if you put stuff away after you use it, it actually is away, and so it's not taking up space? For the next few weeks, you're going to actually hear me talking about cleaning, things that you can do, get into routine so that you're not having to do the extreme clean. Because while that is very satisfying to look at, it's very unsatisfying to live in. You don't have to live that way. Now, am I saying that you will never have that happen? Oh no. No, there have been times when I've had to do extreme cleaning because I've been doing a project or life just got in the way, but it's not that often. And when it's not that often, it doesn't become that stressful. It looks very, very stressful to watch people do their extreme cleaning. And then my bigger question is, how did it become that way? How long did that process take? What did you have to do? What was interesting is I am going to do, I'll actually tell the secret, I do my closet, you're going to see that video pretty soon, but it wasn't one of those chances where I could just, one day my closet is clean, the next day I make it look messy. No, I had to let my closet go. I have to let things go so that then I can clean them up. So that becomes a big issue. Are you letting something go? If you are, why are you letting it go? A lot of people are looking at their houses and they're just overwhelmed. And I'm like, that's bad. Stop looking at your house. Of course, nobody understands that statement until I tell you, stop looking at your entire house and look at one spot. One spot that you can clean and see where you go from there. And we're going to talk a lot about the whole process of cleaning, the whole process of understanding how to organize things. But right now, start cleaning. Don't feel you have to extreme clean, and don't let your house get to the point where you are extreme cleaning, because that is extremely stressful. We all know this. Extremely stressful. It doesn't happen overnight. It's one of those things which comes upon you. And then when you look around and you can't put anything anywhere because everything is everywhere, I just don't understand that. If you are one of these people who lets your house go to extremes often, I'm not saying occasionally, I'm saying often. Why do you let your house get to that extreme? And yes, I do understand when you have an unusual project coming up where your life does get in the way. I do. I understand those. Those happen, but those don't happen all the time. And you can always, just before you go to bed, put stuff away, or right after you use it, put stuff away. That's the big thing. Stop procrastinating and stop extreme cleaning. While it's satisfying to watch, it's very unsatisfying to live. What do you think about that? Are you all for extreme cleaning, doing it all at once and letting it pile up in between cleanings? Or are you for cleaning in small batches so that way you don't have to ever extreme clean and never have to live in that extreme moment? Let me know down in the comments, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.